What is going on, everybody? So I know that baby toys and baby products in general are an extremely hot niche. I have a bunch of clients and buddies who are doing a great job at selling baby toys. So I want to go ahead and show you how you can crack into this niche. It is absolutely massive. As you know, mothers, fathers love buying toys for their kids. And, I have a sister that has two kids, and they actually get overwhelmed on birthdays and don't buy them presents, or they try not to buy them too many personally, because they know every single person coming to that birthday party, every aunt, every uncle, every cousin, every grandma, they're all buying presents for that cute little kid. So I want to show you how you can capitalize on this in this video right here. Now, let's go ahead and jump right into it. You can see I have Ad Chill here. I'll show you at the end of this video how to launch these products really quickly, because it comes down to this, guys. If you want to do really well in any niche, or on Shopify period, you have to pick a niche. For example, baby toys. You might be able to pick a couple if you have some time, but then you have to test products extremely fast and rapidly to figure out which product is going to win. This one right here, it could be a winner, but it could also not be a winner, right? So if you can find out really quickly if the product's going to be a winner or not, you're going to excel at this process. Now, there is a problem. It takes an hour or an hour and a half to test each product. So thankfully, at the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you something that allows you to do that process in 3 minutes. So that's pretty exciting, right? So let's jump right into how we would do the research for baby toys. Really simple. There's a couple ways. You could go to Amazon bestsellers. You could go to eBay watch count. You could go just Google baby toys. But one of the easiest ways, and I really like easy ways, is just go over to the baby section on Aliexpress, because this is where you're going to be fulfilling the product from anyways, right? And you can see there's a ton of things here, like toys and figures, action and toys and figures, under baby and toys, right? What we can do is go ahead and make sure to ignore any, like Dragon Ball Z, anything that has like a trademark to it. But you can see you can search by orders, and I think this might be a little broad here, but look at these little action figures, 2,400 different orders. So you look at orders, and do you see what I did up here? I searched by orders so I can see what has the most orders, and you can find different products throughout here. I think this is a little too old for babies, but maybe this guy right here. We'll open up some of these. And remember, guys, it's a testing process, so you want to be able to test a bunch. Now, I think these are more like kid toys rather than baby toys. So let me just go ahead and type in baby toy. Now, what you want to do on your own time, I don't want to, make this video super long, but is go through each and every one of these categories. So baby toys 0 to 12 months, baby toys newborn, type them all in and do the process I'm about to show you. Because the more products you can go ahead and put on a list and then just start running through and testing, spend like $5-10 per product, figure out what has the best clicks, best add to cart, best purchases, then you kind of kill the ones that aren't working. So let's go by orders here, search by orders, baby toys, and you can see this is probably where I got that image from. Let's go ahead and check this one out. It looks like a good little toy, a rattler. How about this one that hangs? Actually, this one looks even cooler. Let's pick that one out. So you want to pick a few of these, right? And all of these are really great because you can see the number of orders is 2,500 and the stars are 5 stars. So you could actually, this is a good one. All of these on this front page are worth testing. Like these, oh my goodness. I get so excited when I make these videos too, because while I'm making these videos, we're finding more and more winners, right? So you can go ahead and test them as well. Obviously I'm not going to test every single one on these pages, but this is where most marketers stop, 1,000 orders. But you know what? 1,000 orders is a lot. That could be a viral product that's, under 1,000 orders. So I would open all of these up. And the key here is to test, guys. Don't come tell me that the system doesn't work, because it does. It works every single time. The only thing holding you back is how many products have you tested. I have clients come to me sometimes and say, hey John, it's just we're having a hard time. And then I asked them, how many products did you test this week? And they said like 1. And I'm like, we're testing 5 a day. How are you going to compete? So at the end of this, like I said, don't worry. I'm going to show you a way to test these products really, really fast. So even 700 orders on the bottom of the second page, like you can just keep testing all of these products because these, there's some demand there. If there's more than 100 orders, there's demand. And you should try to run it on Facebook because a lot of these are not being run on Facebook right now. So if you don't already know the process, we're just bringing these over to our Shopify store. We're using Facebook advertising to drive buyers, and then when somebody buys, we just ship it here from Aliexpress. So it's pretty cool. So I think that's probably good for now. You can keep going down on your own. You see the process, and then you can kind of go up here and type in maybe baby toys 0 to 12 months and do the same thing. Search by orders and scroll all the way down and look for ones that you think are going to be winners, but the key is to test a lot. Now I want to show you how to test really quickly. So let's find one. I like to look for products that have good pictures. These show the product well, but I kind of like having a kid in the picture too, just like showing off the product. These are actually kind of cool though. I don't know, maybe I'll test that one. Let's see. A baby rattler, it's probably a good one as well. But again, you want to find pictures that have somebody using the product. So this could be a good one, but the video's not going to turn out that great without a kid in it. So maybe this one. Yeah, this will probably be a good one. Everybody wants one of those. And then this is going to be a good one as well. And why do I say this is a good one? Because I see some good images. And what the tool I'm about to show you, it takes the images and creates a video. So that process usually takes like 30, 45 minutes, but we do it in like a minute. So this could be a good one. This looks like a teething ring or something. And then these look really cool, these little puppet things. This might be a good one to launch too. Let's figure out which one I want to launch right here on screen because I want to show you how powerful this software is. It allows you to launch products. Like if you think of it like this, right? If you launch 10 products, you might find 1 or 2 winners. If you launch those 10 products in one day, you'll find those 1 or 2 winners in one day. But if you take 10 weeks to launch those 10 products, it's going to take a much longer time. Now, you always want to ship with ePacket. It's a little faster, so it's going to cost a little more. But these ones are $4. Let's go ahead and launch these. So I have Oberlo opened up here, and this is just an app that allows you to import products really quickly, which is nice. But I'm really excited to show you the software at the end of this that you can get today that will help you launch products and launch the ad part of it, the videos, the targeting, so you can actually get sales. So let's go to import list here. And what do you want to call these? 10-piece puppet fingers? Yep, 10-piece baby puppet fingers. Boom. Description. I'm not going to worry about that for now because I'm just all about speed. Let's go ahead and price these at $14.95. They used to be $29.95. I feel like that's a pretty fair price. Plus, you know what? I'm making about $10 per sale, which is great. Oh, and these are really, really great pictures for what we're about to do here. So I'm excited to see these videos here. This is going to be a viral one, I can tell. It's just think of it like this. You're going to be scrolling through Facebook. We're going to be targeting mothers, right? And they're going to be scrolling through Facebook, and they're going to be like, oh my God, that's so cute. And then they'll click buy. So I just imported it in my store. You can see it's here. And I haven't touched the description, but if this turns out to be a winner, I'll spend a bit more time on the description. But for now, we're just going to click more actions, create ad chill. So I assume you already have ad chill. If you don't, you'll probably grab it after this. But ad chill just makes your video for you, does all of your targeting, launches your Facebook ad campaign, and just takes so much time off your plate. Let's go ahead and make those 1 second. Let's say comment yes if your baby, I won't capitalize that, baby will love. And let's call these baby fingers. And you know what? Let's go ahead and put this one at the front. So you can see this is saving so much time because usually you have to make your own video, right? Let's make it white. That looks a little better. Maybe taller. No, let's make it 1 by 1. So you can see you can make all types of video ratios. But this process usually takes 30 minutes to make a video and then upload it to your Facebook ads, all that good stuff. I'm going to grab my store link here. And we will go ahead and in the next step, we're going to find all the targeting, which is really cool because the process for finding targeting, man, without ad show, this is ad show, by the way. Without ad show, the targeting process after making the video, you just spent 30 minutes making the video, and then you have to do another 30 minutes finding the targeting. You can see the video's done. Looks good. It shows off the product pretty well. Let's go ahead and click next step. Let's go type in baby toys, and this is doing your audience insights for you, right? So what's cool is you select one right here, 58,000 people, and you might want to put some baby shower, baby toys, babies are us, maybe? Is that still a thing? I'll do Toys R Us. Toys R Us. There we go. And let's see what ad shall suggest. So like Gerber Baby. Yep, that's really good. Leapfrog. Yep. Fisher Price. So it suggests all these interests. And what happens here is if you select these up here, whatever you select up here, it's going to show more out here. So it's doing all of your audience insights research for you, which is unbelievable because this takes so much time usually. Then you can target 5 different ad sets towards these interests. And simply after you do that, it's like you can see really quickly, is this going to be a winner or not? So I'm going to say grab yours, and let's say, aren't these cute? Free shipping today only. And this is actually a good product to do a free plus shipping. But I'm not going to do it for now. I'm going to target women 35 plus. Actually, I'll do women 30 plus. I'll do just small budgets of $2 a day. So it's $2 times 5 ad sets. And I'll be able to see very quickly, like, is it getting clicks or not? If it is getting clicks, I'll raise the budget, of course. I'll probably go in, write a better description and all that good stuff. And watch this. I go ahead and pick my page. It's optimized for add to cart. I'll do view contents for now because it's early on. And that's about it, guys. Like, we're done. We launched the whole campaign. We created the video, which takes 30, 45 minutes usually. We find the targeting, which takes another 30 minutes. Then we wrote the copy and launched the post. So it's really a time saver. And now you can see how I have time to test this one. I have time to test this one, time to test this one. I always tell this story, but my girlfriend and I, we sat down for 10 hours one day and launched 10 products each. It's a lot of products, but that's a lot of time. We found some winners, but if we can launch 10 products in an hour, find so many more winners. So ever since we released this part of Ad Show, and this is just a small sample of Ad Show pretty much helps you automate and scale your Facebook ads. Feel free to click the link below to book a free demo to see all of it, but this is just a small part of it that helps you launch products quicker. And you can see if I go ahead and refresh this test account here, the campaign should be uploaded. See, Ad Show Puppets. Oops. Ad Show Puppets. It created 5 or 6 ad sets. I can't remember how many I did. 5. $2 a piece. Women 30 plus, Fisher Price, Leapfrog, Gerber, and so on. So this is gonna, really quickly show me, do people actually like this product? Because if people like the product, if they click on it, if they, add it to cart, if they purchase it, I'm going crazy. I'm going in there. I'm gonna redo my description. I'm gonna implement some upsells. And we're going to absolutely crush it. So this is how you rapid test baby products. And, there's not much more to it. You just have to go through, and once you find a winner, come back to us, say, hey, John, you know what? I found a winner. What do I do next? You increase your conversion rate. So that means you get more buyers for the same amount of people coming in, right? You implement some upsells. You put some trust on your store, and so on and so on. So you can see the videos made, the ads made. Looks pretty good. But that's about it, guys. So hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you learned a lot. Hope you'll test out the baby niche because it's a very, very profitable niche. And if you want, go ahead and subscribe as we do post new videos every day. And just helping you out with your Facebook ads and all that good stuff. And then let me know below, have you tested the baby niche before? And how are your results? how many products did you test? Let me know that in the comment section below. If you have any questions below, also, you can post them there. And then last but not least, guys, is, if you don't already have ad show, I'm assuming, most people that are watching this already do, but if you don't, you can grab it with the link below. So subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Hope you have a great day. Bye.